Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of a lush valley, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her insatiable thirst for adventure and her boundless imagination. But most of all, she was known for her unwavering belief in magic. Every night as the sun dipped below the horizon and darkness descended upon the land, Lily would sit by her bedroom window and gaze up at the starry sky. She would listen intently to the whispers of the night wind, feeling the magic of the universe swirl around her. One particular night, as Lily peered out into the velvet sky, she noticed something amiss. The moon, which usually shone bright and full, was nowhere to be seen. Instead, the night was veiled in darkness, and a sense of unease settled over the village. Determined to uncover the mystery behind the missing moon, Lily sprang into action. She put on her warmest cloak, slipped on her sturdy boots, and set out into the night, guided only by the faint glow of the stars above. Through thick forests and winding paths, Lily journeyed on, her heart filled with determination and wonder. Along the way, she encountered creatures of the night who whispered tales of the Last Moonbeam, a magical beam of light that had once illuminated the sky, but had vanished without a trace. As she ventured deeper into the unknown, Lily's path led her to a clearing bathed in silver moonlight. And there, in the centre of the clearing, stood a solitary figure, a wise old owl with eyes that sparkled with ancient wisdom. "Lily," the owl hooted softly, "you seek the Lost Moonbeam, do you not?" Lily nodded eagerly, her eyes wide with excitement. "Yes, wise owl, I must find it and bring light back to the night sky." The owl blinked solemnly before speaking again. "To find the Lost Moonbeam, you must embark on a journey of courage and faith. Follow the path of the shooting star, and it shall guide you to the realm of dreams where the moonbeam resides." With a grateful smile, Lily thanked the owl and set off once more, her spirits lifted by the promise of adventure. And so, under the watchful gaze of the stars above, she followed the path of the shooting star, her heart ablaze with hope and determination. After what felt like hours of wandering, Lily spotted a streak of light slicing through the darkness, a shooting star streaking across the sky. With a gasp of excitement, she quickened her pace, following the star's radiant trail deeper into the unknown. The path led her through dense forests, across babbling brooks, and over rugged hills until at last she arrived at the edge of a shimmering lake. Moonlight danced upon the water's surface, casting a silvery glow over the surrounding landscape. In the center of the lake stood a magnificent waterfall, its cascading waters sparkling like diamonds in the moonlight. And there, at the base of the waterfall, Lily saw it, a shimmering portal surrounded by swirling mists leading to the realm of dreams. With a deep breath, Lily stepped forward, her heart pounding with anticipation. She plunged into the swirling mists, feeling a rush of magic wash over her as she crossed the threshold into the realm of dreams. As Lily emerged on the other side, she found herself standing in a breathtaking garden bathed in the soft glow of moonlight. Flowers of every hue bloomed around her, their petals shimmering with otherworldly light. In the center of the garden stood a towering tree, its branches reaching up toward the heavens. And there, nestled among the branches, was the Lost Moonbeam, a radiant beam of light pulsating with untold power. With trembling hands, Lily reached out and plucked the moonbeam from its perch, cradling it gently in her arms. As she did, the garden erupted into a symphony of whispers and song, filling the air with a sense of joy and wonder. Filled with a newfound sense of purpose, Lily began the journey back to her village, the Lost Moonbeam glowing brightly in her hands. And as she emerged from the realm of dreams and stepped back into the world of the waking, she knew that she had brought light back to the night sky once more.